Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve the Windows Update error code 0x800700c1 when attempting to update your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. And the full error message reads that there were problems installing some updates, but we'll try again later. If you keep seeing this and want to search the web or contact support for information, this may help. Feature update to Windows, error code 0x800700c1. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and type in troubleshoot. Best result should come back with troubleshoot settings. Go ahead and open that up. On the right side, you want to select other troubleshooters. And then underneath most frequent, select the Windows Update troubleshooter and then the run button. And I would suggest following along with any suggestions it recommends. And then once it's done running, go ahead and close out of here and actually restart your computer. And hopefully at this point you should be good to go. So as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.